A small kitchen island for your modern kitchen design. A kitchen island has become a trend on kitchen designs nowadays because it can provide a lot of functions for your kitchen as well as it produce a more modern and sophisticated look. You can see a variety of island kitchen designs in every home improvement or home design magazines because of the market's demands. However, creating a small kitchen island can be a bit tricky since you have to be certain of all the measurements in order for you to create a functional and useful island. There are many things to consider on deciding the size of your kitchen island. If you prefer to have a small kitchen island, you may want to consider the size of your kitchen, how deep you want it to be in its length. It should not be too deep, too long or too big for your kitchen area. It also should not get in the way of your other appliances in your kitchen. Bear in mind also during the process of your kitchen designs that the island will not block any of your kitchen pathways. It is a great help for the kitchen. That is why adding it should not cause any problem for you or your guests that may enter your kitchen. There are a few numbers of varieties for your kitchen designs that you can choose from. So picking the perfect island design is going to be up to you. It should be based according to your needs and how you want it to appear in your kitchen. Many of the kitchen island producers are creating designs for a small kitchen island. Those are created with a purpose to take full advantage of its usefulness. Creativity is needed for this type of kitchen designs. A kitchen island is typically used as a counter during food preparation, but it should not be the sole purpose for your kitchen. It may be utilized as an additional table. It can also be used as an extra storage room. Having a second sink is very practical, so adding a sink on the island is a good option for your kitchen design. Or if you want, you may also put a chiller for your wine or a small fridge for a more modern look. You may also put chairs or stools beside the island so that you can have a little chit-chat with your friends or family while you are preparing the food, or even make it as a second dining area. There are a few possible ways that you can do on your kitchen island, just be sure in what you want.